Ready?
All right, I'm pressing go.
Oh. Well, the dog wants to be in there. Here
Hey
it goes.
guys, we're doing our plank challenge. So we have our timer set, so it's at 30 seconds right now, but it was at 45 when we
Today's
started.
day 7. You're supposed to be doing 20 seconds for 3 days in a row. Build up that strength and that core. 30 seconds for 2 days. A 40-second. Yesterday was day 6. It was a rest day. And now today, on day 7, is 45 seconds.
So make sure you're squeezing your bum. Make sure you're squeezing your tummy.
Keep it
tucking
tight.
in, and we have 5 seconds. 4,
Oh no!
3,
The
2,
horror!
1.
Oh no! Oh, we made it!
But
I'm an
anyway.
overachiever, so I'll just stay here for
Stop.
a second.
Anyway, we were just really... Oh, how do you do this?
Turn your alarm off.
Dismiss. Okay, so we were actually just wondering and making sure that all of our friends were having a good quarantine or coronation.
Coronation. It's Coronation Day.
But
Like we're in
anyway,
Frozen.
obviously we can't go to the gyms. We can't go out and exercise really unless you're taking a walk or maybe a ride 6 feet from each other, of course. But what are you doing in your house to get yourself motivated and make sure that you're making good choices? I have talked to some clients, and even though it's not necessarily exercise, they've taken up knitting and doing things with their hands to keep...
I'm not knitting.
Listen, to keep their hands busy so they're not snacking. I've had a couple clients that, have done that. I thought that was a good idea. Some people have done puzzles, again, with the hands, keeping hands busy because it could be, something that could affect you. So if it's exercise or if it's something along those lines, give us some ideas, give us some tips of what you are doing.
I also would like to say that, everybody knows that Mandy and I are, our main love is some form of health reminder to everybody. So you can all be healthy, either physically or in your family and doing things like that. I think very seriously we need to talk about not just our physical health that we're doing here right now, but I think the main thing for everybody to be reminded of right now is our actual medical health and how we need to take this very seriously, because those of us that are essential, I don't even know how I call myself that. I'm not in the medical field, and I truly love and appreciate everybody that's out there on the front lines with treating the diseases and at the hospital, and everybody that's out there really exposing themselves. I'm in retail, and so I'm just trying to practice good hygiene, protect myself, stay away from everybody. But while we're open and we're doing all we can here at Costco, I think it's very important that everybody remember, do your part to make sure you're staying safe. And it's much bigger than me. It's much bigger than you. If we all take care of ourselves and practice good hygiene for ourselves, think of the effects that we can stop this and stop the spread. If you're not being cautious with your own self, we were just discussing this with our son while he's out at McDonald's or while I'm at my store. The effects are you're bringing this back to your household. This is affecting your family. It's affecting others, right? Mandy's got a daycare. We've got other families and children that rely on us. We've got to be cautious and careful to other people that we come in contact with. So we all need to remember that. We all got to take the proper steps to make sure we're treating other people with love. Golden rule, guys. Treat others how you want to be affected.
And I want you not to downplay yourself. You are essential personnel. How do you think they would eat if you weren't open? So we need to definitely understand that there are essential personnel fighting on the front lines, if you will, but there's ones in the background, and that's you and I. I'm providing childcare for those people, and you're providing food for everyone. So
I love getting messages from every one of you guys on here. I thank you very much. Many more of you guys are sending me private messages that don't want to be on Facebook and don't want their name out there, but I won't mention you, but keep them coming. Everybody that's privately messaging me every day, Ken, do you have toilet paper? But more seriously, hey, do you guys have chicken in stock? I was in the other day and I couldn't find any Clorox wipes, or I wanted to get some kind of cleaner. If you guys need these things, please send me a message. Ask me. Every day I'm getting updates. If we have it, I'm going to let you know. As soon as I see certain things, I call or text very important friends of mine and family that have asked me to keep them in my thoughts and make sure that if I see that we have these things in stock, I bring this to you guys. So again, I'm trying to do my part to be a friend to you and call you, let you know when we have this. If you need these things, I want to help you guys as best we can. Mandy and I are trying to use these videos to be educational, not just for health, but honestly share, while we're all locked up like this, share some joy, guys. The plank is a physical way of being mobile and trying to get some action in and trying to stay healthy. We encourage you guys any way we can. We got out today. We can't socialize. We miss our friends dearly. We miss getting together. I'm sure a lot of people are looking at Mandy and I like, well, you guys were out of the country. You know, I'm being serious. I wouldn't want you to invite me over either. So I get it. We all gotta be respectful. I was in an international airport. I get that. So while we're all treating this very seriously and keeping ourselves separate from one another, we got to make sure that we do the best we can to take care of one another. So Mandy and I are sharing the games, the nights that we take this very seriously and grateful we're together in front of the fire and cleaning the house or just having a puzzle or reading together, studying our Bible. You know, today's Sunday. You know, how we look forward to waking up today and, you know, there's a joke going around that liquor stores are essential, but yet churches are closed. How crazy is that, right? Well, the Word of God is never going to be contained, right? The joy of studying your Bible and being there for your spiritual family will not be stopped, ever. So we got to be on a Zoom call today with our entire congregation and enjoying the Bible and an encouraging word with one another for 2 hours a day. You know, that's a joy that we can still share associating with loved ones that we want there for you guys. I was on the phone today for hours today, calling friends, clients, just checking on them. Yes, how's your health? How can I help you? How can I be encouraging? But I want to see how you were doing. I had to leave a lot of voicemails. I got a lot of people at home today. You know, we're able to be encouraging any way we can. Think of your friends, think of your family members, and be there for them. Let's try and share and take this burden of all the things we're all going through, and let's be that source of light and love to other people. And we're going to get through this together. You know, whether it's through activities and being beneficial through encouragement of what we're doing to get by, or just practicing good sense and sharing things that are going to help other people. I think that's really important. So get your planks in, stay safe, practice good hygiene, and think of other people, guys. It's bigger than you and me, right? We got to take care of this to protect everybody.
Oh, and while we're talking about helping everybody, guess what we had for dinner tonight? 510 Johnny's, our favorite restaurant. We had our first date night on quarantine that I didn't cook. Whoop, whoop. That was amazing, actually.
You know what, guys? In all
Yeah.
It's real serious. We want date night. We'd love to be here. And no one's going to go out to a restaurant right now. But Costco, even being smart, is saying at this time, we're going to limit the interaction with everybody. We're not selling gift cards hand to hand and limiting that, right? But we still are encouraging people to order from local communities and keep these essential businesses employed. I got to work. We're open because you need our stuff. Well, think about the families and friends that are at these retail places and restaurants.
Small businesses.
These they're suffering. They really are. So Mandy and I didn't interact with anybody. We were not out in other places touching areas that we have to worry about how clean it is. We're in the confines of our own car, staying safe. Reached out through phone, talked to a business owner. Go see Spiro, guys. Shout out to 510 Johnny's, Spiro. Go see those guys, man. They're awesome up there. We love that restaurant. We drove up. He's looking for us. Comes out the front door, drops it off in our back seat. You know, credit card, in and out. We're done.
And I brought my sanitizer wipes, so I wiped everything down. So we were good to go, and it was so tasty.
Right.
I hate to say it, and you ladies feel me, right? Food always tastes better when somebody else makes it.
Yeah.
But anyways, it was nice.
It's a nice thought, guys. If you got a limit going out, and we all don't want to be at the grocery stores, we see these ridiculous pictures, including this one over here, that you're going to cover your face with pantyhose.
Well, you can put a pad on your face, too.
We're not talking. If you're going to limit going out, and we really should, you should not be out seeking to be around other people. Be smart. How great would it be to support local businesses and actually be able to stay in your car, in and out quick, and come right home with no fear interacting with other people? So I thought that was a great way to give back. So you guys have a great night. We miss everybody. We love this.
Look at Tracy. That's our favorite thing. Chicken Chesapeake there. You are absolutely
510 Giants. That's my number one dish when I go there. I go to that. Got to get the wings. Got to have a salad, and we're getting the chicken Chesapeake. That's my number one dish for those guys. So
we did get crab cakes this time, though.
Yeah. So
anyway.
All right, guys.
All right. Well, have an amazing night.
You guys have a good night. Take care of each other.
Hey, have a good week. Start the week good with your gratitude.
That's right.
And be thankful and appreciative.
That's
Mindset's powerful, and we love you guys, okay?
And if I can encourage everybody to come out to Costco with a retailer that's going to take care of you, we're limiting the crowd control. I had a very good post. I can't believe how much I'm getting private messages on the post. Everybody that liked it, but then they're all commenting to me privately. Yes, it's crowd control outside, limiting the numbers in the building. you can actually honestly be 6 feet away from everybody, how many we're allowing in the store, controlling the lines, every other register, separating everybody so we're not staying next to each other, and you get a turn in line. You can't come next to the other member in line. So we're controlling it really well, guys. We're paying the additional company to sanitize and clean our store. When you get done grabbing the door and you go in behind the freezer or get your milk, someone's coming behind you to wipe down and clean the store and clean the door and the handles. We're taking it very seriously. Signs everywhere advertising the recommendation from the CDC. You can trust Costco, and our food is handled, obviously, with the utmost care. Tomorrow's a great day to start. If you need supplies, let me know if you need something. Reach out to me. But you can trust that Costco's going to take care of you guys and keep you safe. So.
Oh, and last Costco plug, they have for the EPCC, which is Essential Personnel Childcare, we have to use temporal thermometers.
We're not sold out.
And they have them. Nowhere else has them. So
$23.99 temporal thermometers.
If you're looking for them, seriously, you can only buy one per person per day.
Yep.
But they have it. So
Keep you
a
and your
lot
children
of my
safe.
child care providers have been asking.
Right.
So.
All right, guys.
All right, last plug. Have a great day. Have
Thanks.
a great night. See ya.
Take care, everybody. Have a good day. Good night.
Bye.